Good morning everyone. Happy Republic Day to all. My name is P. Kone Manar. I am studying in 4th standard in Municipal Primary School, Tirvattur, Adlangare, Cheyyar. Today I will speak about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He went to England to study law and returned to India. Then he went to South Africa to find a caste. It was that he began his political career fighting injustice and resisting oppression. He came back to India and fought against the British rule. He gave us the weapon of Satyagraha and Ahimsa. Gandhiji was very honest and straightforward. He believed in equality for all. He loved the poor and the lonely fought for their upliftment. Gandhiji was assassinated on January 30, 1948. He is respected all